Hi, I'm Marvin Plackett, and today is Thursday, February 11th. Greetings to all residents, to all staff, and to all guests. It's been a whole week since I've seen you, hoping you are doing well, staying safe, protecting yourself, and feeding your soul, hoping you're doing all those things. I'm delighted to report that once again, we have no residents with COVID-19. And we have one staff member, and that staff member is expected to come back, be scheduled on Sunday, or let's say be fully recovered from the COVID-19. So we're hoping that that is indeed the case. So we're so pleased at how well we are doing, and of course, in general, our society, our Twin Cities, state of Minnesota, we are doing a lot better. We want to keep it that way. That's no reason why we can relax our standards, though, our requirements. We cannot. We must keep up the face mask wearing and the physical distancing, frequent hand washing, and any symptoms, self-isolate and get tested. In fact, you may have seen, read, heard, whatever, anyway, that over the last day, some studies have come out indicating that some are in fact urging wearing two masks. Double masking is better than one. They're saying a cloth mask and then a surgical mask, that it's more protective. And they also, those specialists, they're also saying wearing a mask really matters. It works. So it's really vital that we keep up these measures that we've had in place now for months. And of course, it's fantastic that the vaccine has been offered now at all of our communities, all 10 communities. And some have already gotten the second round. So we're delighted. So that means that within just a few weeks, all 10 communities, all residents, all staff, and a fair number of others, caregivers and so forth, they are going to have received both vaccines. So that's terrific. And this is the Moderna vaccine that we're talking about. So we're feeling good. We're feeling good. Now, how long before society gets back to normal? Well, you know, I'm reading the news, paying attention to the news just like you are. What are the instructions that are coming from the health department, from Governor Walz's office, etc. So we don't know how soon it will be. We know it's going to be still another few months, but we will see, all right? But it sure is nice that some things are starting to get back into a pattern of, let's say, much more engagement. For instance, at our 2 nursing homes and at our assisted living, we are now allowing visitors. Now you have to schedule it with the staff at Episcopal Church Home and the Gardens and at Iris Park Commons. You have to schedule those visits through the management team, but visitors are allowed. Well, there were several months where visitors were not allowed. So pleased that some of those things are changing, getting sort of a little bit closer back to normal. Okay, let's see. Birthdays, because now remember I'm only doing this video update once a week. So do the birthdays today as well. Delton Kruger, The Gardens, Audrey Brennan, Seabury, Kai Guillen at King's Crossing, Kathleen Severin, Cornelia House, and Jamie Costello at the Gardens. A big happy birthday to all of you. I have a reading here from, or a little message here from Phil Rose. Okay, the season of Lent begins next Wednesday, February 17th. For many churches, Lent begins with the imposition of ashes in the form of a cross on the forehead of those who will be honoring Lent. The Spiritual Life team will be offering ashes to residents and staff on Wednesday. So again, that's next week, Wednesday the 17th. There are posters posted on campus to let you know the times and locations. If you need to know more, ask your housing manager or call Chaplain Phil Rose. Okay? That would be it. So sure wishing you well. Take care and take care of your neighbors. All right? Love yourselves. Love your neighbors, and stay safe. Be well. Bye-bye.